Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, also known as Miss Frilla. I have some happy mail from Rose Shadow Collection as well as Coco Vision. So if you like stationery, desk accessories, this video just might be for you. If you're new to my page, welcome. So glad that you're here with me today. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So please consider subscribing to my channel, turning your notifications to all, tap the thumbs up, hype my video up, and engage with me in the comments. So let me get my scissors so I can get right into this box from Coco Vision. If you haven't heard of Coco Vision has planner stickers and some other desk accessories along with planner accessories available in her shop. And I'll have her information in the description. So she gave me the sticker here. This is a freebie because I did not order a sticker. Let me get into what I actually ordered. And it has the bubble wrap, so I have to get the item out of here and then I'll quickly show you what I got. I saw it on her IG page. Like I said, I'll have her information in my description, but I did end up getting a desk accessory. She has some 3D print items on her website. I think it was released last week or the week before. Can't remember exactly, but it does come in different colors. So this is like a pen holder, and I picked the marble background here. And I cannot wait to add my pens and desk accessories to this on my desk. But like I said, she has different colors available. Not sure if it's still available. When I placed it, she did have different colors available. Alright, so now let's get into this Rose Shadow collection. This is the first time I got one of her boxes this size before, so I have to get this open real quick. Rose Shadow collection, you can say 15% off with my code Karen15, and I have her shop information in the description. I typically buy planner stickers, magnets, and some charms from Lena, who's the owner of Rose Shadow Collection. So make sure you use my code so you can save some money on your next order. Like I said, it's 15% off and the code is Karen15. And you can use that when she doesn't have a sale because she has a new box releasing this week. She has a Coach box releasing this week. Alright, and so this is the box for the month of, did I buy this in August or did I buy it in July? I can't remember when I purchased this box here, but it was a box that she had because lately this year she's been curating different theme boxes. So let me know, have you purchased anything from Rose Shadow Collection before or Coco Vision? Let me know in the comments while I get all the contents out of the box today. So typically when I purchase items, it's typically the LV brand that I would get from Rose Shadow Collection. But I did like the sticker book and I said I probably could find use for one of the other items that she had in the box. And I said, well, let me try it out. And then first, it's her first time creating or actually designing a planner, and so I wanted to support her because I've been a supporter for so long now, and I wanted to go ahead and try it out. So let's go ahead and open up the first item. Alright, so this is the TN bookmark here. And one of my first ones that I've ever gotten of this type of clip is from Lena. It was another collab, and I can't remember the other shop, but it was an LV collab that I got one like that before. Alright, so here is the bee charm here. And I think she has these items available on her website now. And here is the little bear that was included in the box. The bear is so cute. Alright, let's see what else. Alright, and this is the charm of the purse that's included. I've been collecting her magnets for years now, and I haven't had any problems with the magnets from Rose Shadow Collection. So if you want quality Beautiful designs. I recommend. So this is a washi color here. I do remember seeing this in her Instagram, and she did end up saying that if you got the box, you would get these die cut stickers. So let me get this out of the package so I can show you all the stickers that was included. And these type of stickers are absolutely perfect for journaling and decorating your planner pages. And I haven't got die cut stickers from Lena in a minute. Because I do have some older die cut stickers that I got from her from years ago. Alright, so let me get this out of the packaging. We have a notepad, because one thing Lena's going to do, she's going to give us a notepad so you can jot down some notes real quick. Now let's see. I'm not sure how many pages of notes are in there, but we have quite a bit. So this is the thank you postcard here. Alright, so let's see what I'm going to do next. This is the sticker book. And Lena, she hand makes all of her sticker books. So that's one thing. Her sticker books are not manufactured overseas or through her manufacturer. She makes her own sticker books. And her sticker books are definitely thicker than what they used to be. So they're good for planning and also journaling, because now she combines them all together compared to what we used to get. And they're very pretty, and I like the colors. They're very neutral in this particular sticker book for this bundle here. So if you like stickers, if you can use some stickers, check out her page, because she does have a variety of stickers. And like I said, she does make her own stickers. So I already see some stickers that I want to use in my planner spread already. And like I said, I already see what I want to use in my next spread, because I haven't worked on my spread for the week already, and I'm definitely probably end up using this sticker book for the week. And I like to use the stickers in my spread because it keeps me motivated, and then also definitely have to have some quotes in my spreads for the week. And typically I get my quotes from Happy Planner. So that's the sticker book, and I cannot wait to see what the Coach sticker book can look like for this upcoming release. Alright, so these are notes. Because like I said earlier, she did create a planner for this box right here, and this is some notes. Alright, let's see. Is it back and front? Yeah. So it look like the notes are back and front notes. Okay, so that's the back cover. So I definitely be adding this to the planner that's included in this box here. And this is a personal ring size. I think it's personal ring or it's a personal wide. I'm not sure. I have to check in my personal ring planner. Alright, so let's see what I'm gonna open up next. Alright, so these are dashboards, and well, since I'm doing the box, let me do this first. And these are dashboards right here that's included in the box. And I can't remember how many that's included in the box, but this is included as well. And I absolutely love Lena dashboards, because one thing about Lena products is about on a budget, bougie on a budget with luxury inspired items. And that's why I love her dashboards. The paper dashboards and the linen dashboards just give that vibe of luxury. And that's one reason why I love her dashboards. I love cloth and papers because they actually use the paper or the linen. And these two are not in the box, but I got them from my CP Petite since I'm going with a blue theme, and it is paper or cardboard dashboards for both. Cause to me, when I think about bougie on a budget with a designer inspired, lamination kind of take away from it, so I really don't care for the laminated. And that's one thing I noticed, like in the planner community, you don't see a lot of planner shops making laminated dashboards. Now, I see in the cash stuffing community that they do make a lot of laminated products, but to me, when you think about as designer inspired, it takes away from it when it's laminated. But love my dashboards from Lena. And here is the planner that came in the box. So let me go ahead and get it open. And I'm going to add the notes and the dashboards that was included in this month box to the planner. And then, well, I guess first, let me show you the planner first before I get to that. Alright, so it has a magnetic closure. As you can see, it has the gold hardware. So let me take the protective film off of the gold hardware. So this binder, it does have, you can see it does have the pin loop. Let's see if it has any pockets. Alright, so it does have the pocket here. And it does have the inner pocket right here. Let's see what else. Let me go ahead and take this off. I like this foam that she has on the rings. You can see the gold rings here. Let me go ahead and open this up so I can go ahead and add some of the items from the box into the binder so I can have it set up. Not sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but my goal is definitely to shop my stash and use it for a reason. Not sure. I'm thinking maybe I could use it for like the personal wide cloth and paper notebook that I got, the sterling silver one I got in one of the subscription box recently. Once I finish using those pages, I'm thinking that's when I'm going to move to this binder here. Because right now I'm using my cloth and paper personal wine notebook. That where I do my designs while creating things and brainstorming, and have my brain dump in that notebook at the moment. And I don't think I'm going to buy additional inserts for that personal line notebook that I got. But I can definitely move to this because this is a personal ring planner. And I already have inserts that can fit into this planner here that I can utilize. And I'm thinking right now that's what I might end up using this for. Alright, so I've added the dividers, I've added the notes, and I guess I need to add some of the other items from the box. Because I'm trying to be intentional. Because I know in the past, when I receive boxes, I will just place the products to the side and forget totally about them. So I'm really trying to be intentional, making sure that I set it up as I get my products. Alright, so that washi card is there, and I'm not a washi girl, so, and I think I'm gonna add the notes to the back pocket. I'm gonna add this here. And so once I move to this binder, I have my notes to jot down some things real quick. And hey, I might end up starting using this sooner than I expected. But like I said, right now I'm using the personal line cloth and paper notebook daily, and I absolutely love it. And then the great thing about the notes and the dashboard in here, I can move it to my other personal ring binders that I have. And see, I'm kind of limited with the cloth and paper personal wide because it's not my intention to stay in personal wide. But I definitely could use personal rings. So what if I place this magnet here and let the charm hang at the bottom? I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I think I like it here at the bottom with the D hanging. Now this binder rings are kind of small. I'm not sure what size ring it is, so I definitely won't be able to make this planner agenda binder chunky. But yeah, so the D hangs off a little bit. Can you see? So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that right there. Okay, and see what else I can add. I guess I can go ahead and add this charm with the B. Should I add it here? At first I was thinking about adding the charm maybe to my CP Petite planner. But let's see. Let me see. Let me know in the comments if I should add the B to my CP Petite here. Like if I add it here and replace the clear heart in the B. I mean not the B, the blue charms on it. Let me know if I should add the B and remove the other charm or just leave the charm with the blue beads and the heart. Let me know in the comments. I could add it here, but I don't think I want it on the outside. I remember Lena showing us that we could place it on the outside with the tassel, but I think I'm just going to place it in the inside for the time being. Alright, so it's kind of set up. But I do have the stickers and this bear. I'm not sure if I'm going to add the bear. Should I add it here? I don't know. Or should I add the bear up here? Let me know, guys, if I should add the bear anywhere in this binder. Let me know in the comments what do you think. But I do want to go ahead and add these stickers here to the planner. Not sure which one I'm going to place in the pocket. Should I place it in the front pocket? I think it'll probably be best for me to place these in the back pocket. And I'm thinking I might end up placing the bow where the card slots are. So at least I have, should I place this up front? No, I think I'll do the bow. Yeah, I think I'll do the bow up front. And I'm just going to place the rest of the stickers in the back. And then I can use them when I'm taking notes and journaling in this planner. And for the time being, just place this bow up here somewhere. If you have any recommendations of how I should place the stickers or the magnetic pen, let me know in the comments. So that is basically it for today, besties. I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's Happy Mail unboxing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap thumbs up, engage with me in the comments, and if you can, hype my video. Toodles!